Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X6 versus the Trackhawk. Let's dive into their performance. The BMW X6 typically offers a range of powerful engines, providing a balance of luxury and sportiness. It's known for its smooth ride and precise handling. On the other hand, the Trackhawk is a beast, delivering incredible horsepower and blistering acceleration, making it a true performance SUV. We'll explore how these differences impact your driving experience. Moving inside, the BMW X6 presents a sophisticated and luxurious cabin, often featuring high-quality leather, advanced infotainment, and a driver-focused cockpit. Its technology suite is intuitive and comprehensive. The Trackhawk, while still comfortable, leans more towards a performance aesthetic, with supportive seats and a powerful Uconnect system. Both vehicles offer impressive connectivity and safety features, but their approaches to interior design differ significantly. When it comes to design, the BMW X6 stands out with its unique coupe-like SUV silhouette, blending elegance with a sporty stance. It's a head-turner on the road. The Trackhawk, however, maintains a more traditional, aggressive SUV look, emphasizing its raw power. In terms of practicality, both offer ample space, but their design philosophies might influence cargo accessibility and overall utility for different lifestyles. Finally, let's consider value. The BMW X6 often comes with a higher starting price, reflecting its luxury branding and advanced engineering. The Trackhawk, while still a significant investment, offers an incredible amount of horsepower and performance for its segment. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize refined luxury or raw, unadulterated power. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.